Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. I have some silicone hair tools. One I chopped up. I wish I still had the blue one. I probably do have another one. I found it! Cool. There's another one. This is a good weight to use with cell activator. I'm going to use Amsterdam Black and Australian Floetrol and maybe this silicone card. Probably the better end is the other end. And I'm going to be kind of irreverent. I'm going to lay down a bunch of colors, starting with some light colors, Chantilly lace. I don't think it matters where anything goes, to tell you the truth. We're going to fill in fully a third of this canvas with colors and swipe them. That was a Prizm pour. This is Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Well, it was before I forgot to shake it, which I can usually fix. That was unexpected. I guess it's been a couple days since I've been here. I've been dealing with my dog, deciding it's time to depart this world. And today he's finally gone, so he's not in any pain anymore. So, like I said, Decor Americana 24 karat gold. As much as I want. Fully a third of the canvas, at least. And if we have a lot of gold, that's okay. I'm really good with that. Now, I'm a Color Arte affiliate, so I'm going to use more Color Arte colors. This is a Prizm pour. This is Waterlily. I am trying to be random. It's on purpose. I was going to use some Frostbite and some Frosted Berry, but I believe I'm going to just stick with what I've got and add some saffron. And it might take me a few minutes to do this. I'm going to try and stick with the colors that were bright. I was looking at another video. You can look it up. It's 8004. And I wasn't using Color Arte colors. I was using Arteza colors. And there are quite a few of them that make me want to use them again. They were probably pearls. That can't be closed. Oh, I know what happened. It was on the floor for like a couple of days while I was dealing with things that were out of my control. Oh, I love when you open the big top, when you spread the top out, you get plugs out so much easier. But then you're stuck with the big top, which isn't always great. This is Fandango. And I'm ready for the blues. I have some blue velvet. I don't even know which colors will show up more than others. I'm going to include some sour lemon that I added holly berry to. I think I prefer it with the orange crush, which reminds me that's probably what's next. So we'll give it a little orange crush. You do not need all the colors I use. You need probably 3. You can use colors in the same family. It's a little scary putting that orange crush next to the green. I've got some Tuscan Sun, which I think is maybe not my first choice here, but I also have Cupid's Crush, which is a primary element. I'll list the colors below the video. And since most people who do pouring art layer their colors over the top of each other, there's no problem doing that for me. I've got, that looks like Pink Diamond. Huh. Let me make sure. No, I've got Jasmine. Well, I would if it would open. That's what happens when I don't use my bottles for a couple days. But they're not very closed, they're only a little closed. And sometimes the cone comes out, and sometimes it doesn't. And this is one of those times it doesn't. I can see I've already gone past a third. I'm going to have a pretty easy time making that color go all the way to the edge of the canvas. Got the clot that was in the tip. And some more. Probably not my best cleaning job, but I want my paint available now. As I struggle to put... that was... Oh, come on. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just going to go right over the top. Cool, I did a double. And then I've got Pink Carnation, and I'm going to call it good. I didn't know I was going to do that, but I don't really mind. I filled in all my gaps. I don't know if that's important. It may not be. But it took me long enough to get to this point. Now I have to think about whether I want any more colors, and I didn't use any cerulean blue, and I want some. Whoa, same thing, gotta shake the paint. I don't think it's gonna hurt a darn thing if that's in there, but I just as soon not find out the hard way. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Definitely wanted that. Cross your fingers that this isn't just officially too much paint. Wow, I dipped right in. Okay, so first I'm going to take a dish. I think it's just smart. Put a dish down of color to dip into, because the last time I did this with American Floetrol and Amsterdam Black and Minwax Wood Conditioner to make it like Australian Floetrol. That is not coming out very easily. So here goes nothing. I kind of want to try the weird hair tool. Now, funny story, what happened to the painting that I made this way was I went to the Art in the Park, and a tornado touched down on my tent. Maybe not so funny. And it put a huge 45-degree angle rip in my canvas, which I then repaired 2 years later. I'm gonna do one more swipe. Almost didn't make it to the edge. I want to try this weird hair tool. I might be crazy to do this, but I did what I thought I was going to do, which is to move it so far up that I can practically lay it down. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm going to take all that extra paint, wipe it right off right there. I think I'm going to take my little tool and fill in the gaps. And leave some gaps as well. And after I do the rest of this, that's basically what's next. And if I want to go back to that, that's what I'll do. So this is my smaller tool. They came in like, I think, a 3-pack. It's been a while. They're on my Amazon link. I'm going to try and get some more black cell activator out. I just will just take the top right off right now. I do often like the residuals that I leave behind that don't get swiped. And I like odd combinations of shapes, so that this is pretty perfect for that. And if I leave enough black spaces, I usually just call them keyhole swipes. I'll dedicate this to my dog. He was a great dog too. A little wumpy once in a while. I'm not sure about that. I guess I'm just going to do it anyway. Right there. I'm loving the leftovers are stunning. This seems like it was a good idea. And there was just the perfect amount of paint on there to pull all the way down and get it to go to the edge and leave behind. I'm loving these patterns. Ha ha ha. So I should tell you guys before it's too late that I have 33 playlists, each with 100 videos on them. And everything is also organized by topic and genre. Should you want something and you like a certain subject, let me know. Because I'm more than happy to give you the link. I've got them all saved, really easily, readily available. Because part of me wants to tip. Part of me wants to put a skewer through this too. I just like what's going on so much. It's not really that much of a keyhole swipe though. I could leave that large, but I like squishing it and leaving the residuals even if I'm filling in. And I'm loving these little hair tools. I recommend them. They're on my Amazon link, did I say? My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is under Show More. If you shop Colourarte products, look for the 20% off Colourarte coupon code. It's right next to the 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code. And you can find Australian Floetrol on the Pixel Paint Designs website. That's right there. So now I'm thinking maybe it'd be okay to add some lines. Because I can, sort of thing. Right there. And because I want to. And because they're cool. I'm not sure how many places I want to put them. And I'm pretty sure I'm just about done. Except for that one place that's kind of bugging me. And I can't, I need to put the top back down on my, come on, open sesame, yes. This one spot here is bugging me. I'm contemplating blowing on it. And since I did the one, I kind of want to do the other. Why not add some rogue elements? I like the idea of rogue elements. They could include chain, or they could include this tool again. I think that might be bad form. I'm going to do it anyway. I really actually like that a lot. Now there's nothing exact about what I did to this tool. I just basically chopped it up. And I think if I'm slow and gentle, I won't drag so much paint that it'll blob out. Oh wow, I'm just so liking that. This is fabulous. I ought to check and make sure I don't need to wipe it off. It's probably a better idea to have a light touch and wipe it off in between. And I do have a fork that would probably do the same thing if I were willing to take more time. I like the mark making. I'm so not done. Don't forget, light touch. Wipe off in between. Partials. Just because I can. Hey, that's the name of my first book. My first book is next to my second book. It's on the Amazon link. It's the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about paint pouring. Yes, I am. I'm using my little residuals to add some more texture in between. And I'm almost done, but I'm really having a good time. And I needed to. Thank you for joining me. I hope you come again. I post at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time most days. Please give me a thumbs up. When you watch the videos all the way through, you tell the YouTube algorithm that you appreciate my channel. Also, I could use you guys to subscribe who aren't subscribed. So I hope you do subscribe. I lost like 1,000 subscribers last year. Numbers are down. This is so cool. Just anywhere you want. It's sort of like forking. So let me quick like a bunny. See if I missed anything over there. Thank you to all the members of my channel. I really appreciate you guys. You have been the saving grace. I just ordered canvases today when I saw that there were donations. And I was almost out of canvases, so I really, really, really appreciate that. That wants to go. Right there. But otherwise, what a fun piece. I do make, I do use my artwork to create patterns, reproductions. Society 6 Legallerist. Pinterest will show you boards with all kinds of stuff on them. What am I thinking? Spring clothing. Spring below the video. And anything that you see that I create, you can have added to any of the merchandise on any of the links that you find on the link tree if you check them out. Don't forget to check out my Amazon link. Anything you purchase there, I get a tiny little additional something from, and costs you nothing additional. So thank you guys for your kind words and your comments. You keep my morale boosted so much. Thank you for the donations through PayPal and Patreon. And don't forget, I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork, and I need to. The thumbs up is much appreciated. And thanks again for being here. And don't forget, my paint pouring recipe is below. Show more. And I love you all. You inspire me often. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out.